Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how to add receiver in Western Union. The process is straightforward and effortless, but before starting the process, let me tell you the benefit of adding a receiver in Western Union. The main benefit is saving time, means you don't have to retype the receiver name, street address, email address, mobile phone number again and again. It is the main benefit. You just have to go to that receiver section and tap on that receiver and send money easily. So let's head back to our video. For adding receiver, you will see these three lines. Tap on it and tap on the option My Receivers. Because I have not added any receiver, so that's why the list is empty. Tap on the option Add Receiver. The first thing is choose the country of your receiver by tapping on it and choose. So I choose Pakistan because my information is already saved. So that's why last name is already written. Write the first name and let me correct it. And here last name. After writing, if your receiver have a middle name, then write. But if you don't have, then no need to worry because it's optional. And you can also add an email address by tapping on it. And add email address of your receiver. And it's also optional. Here mobile type, tap on it and select his mobile type. I'll select home. Country code is correct. Here write the mobile number of your receiver. After writing the mobile phone number, tap on the option Continue. So here you can see the receiver has been added. So it was a basic way by which you can add a receiver in Western Union.